What a lovely day today.
Please like and subscribe.
Okay, every burger, this is how much? 161.
Halika, tikman natin ang bagong burger ng McDo. Ito ang Ebi Burger.
161.
Kasing laki lang siya na aking kamay, para lang siyang regular burger. It's 161. Ebi Burger originated in Korea, wherein yung burger meron po siyang pinaghalong arena na may shrimp. Yun po. Overall, 5 stars. Masarap siya pero mahal lang po. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Jojo TV ETC.